my name is Kirana. I am from P6D, and today I want to tell you what is in the Eco Village. So we went through the entry of the Soyjoy, and then we got out and went to a pretty long journey, but for me it is a short journey. And then we see the bank sampah. You can also see the larva and the maggots. To be honest, they're a bit creepy and a bit jorok for me lah. It's fun for me too.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Judenko. I'm from P6A. Today I'm going to tell you about the Soyjoy factory. First, we went through the Soyjoy entering with our bus. Then we see how they make Soyjoy. By first they mix, then they cool it, then they repacked it. Then after that we go to the boarding plane to see a film about Soyjoy and the nutrition of Soyjoy. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
And in Pocari, in this specific spot, we can learn how Pocari is made. The different types of stuff that Pocari has made in this factory is Pocari Sweat, Iron Water, Fiber Mini, and Ornament C. And it's really fun knowing about all the stuff that Pocari makes, and everywhere that Pocari distributes the Pocari Sweats.
Hello everyone, my name is Sean. Today we have outing to Otsuka. The first, we went to the recycle. In there, we learned about 3 R's, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Next, we went to Soyjoy and Pocari. We learned that not everything is able to do with humans. Robots can also do it too. And by the way, we also have an amazing experience in the Soyjoy theater. And by the way, we also get amazing products for free, which is amazing, and thank you.